Hi guys, so in today's video I'll show you how to make this delicious smoky patty jollof rice and how to make coconut jollof rice without using foil or charcoal. If you're interested in this video, just like, share and subscribe and stay to the end if you want to learn how to make the smoky patty jollof. We have chicken tomato stew, and this tomato stew was made with tomato and chicken, and I have a link in the description. I'm going to link the video on how to make this delicious stew. We have our rice, washed rice. We have coconut milk. Coconut milk is optional and you can substitute it for chicken stock. Chicken stock, pepper, curry powder, salt to taste, tin tomato and carrots. Now let's make this food. So first things first, I'm just going to pour the stew in the pot. I'm going to proceed to pour in the chicken stock at this time. Here is our chicken stock. I'm just going to pour this in. With coconut milk. If you are making coconut jollof rice, then you can use coconut milk. But for regular jollof rice, don't use coconut milk. Instead of using coconut milk, use water or chicken stock. Then we add in the rest of the spices. Add in the pepper, salt, and curry. This time we'll add in the rice. Cover the pot. Allow to boil. So guys, right here is the secret to the best tasting jollof rice. Once you realize it's bubbling or boiling for a few minutes, now it's time for you to add tin tomatoes. Yes, so we're just going to pour this tin tomato right on the top. So this is the tin tomato, you just put it right on top. So easy. Do not stir it, just have tin tomatoes on. If you don't have tin tomatoes, you could use stew. Remember the recipe for this is in the link in the description. And then cover. Can you see the golden color of this jollof rice? Trust me, this recipe is the best. And then we're going to proceed to turn it. Ensure it's evenly distributed, and then you add in your fried chicken and carrots. Now the recipe for this fried chicken is linked in the description. So, stir it up and then add in your chicken and allow the rice to burn for some minutes. If you're still watching at this point, I want to say thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let me tell you the secret to get the smoky flavor. Can you see the smoke? Can you see the smoke? This is the perfect smoky jollof rice. Now, first and foremost, you have to ensure that you add enough oil, or ensure that your tomato stew has enough oil. Secondly, you add tin tomato to the top of the rice after it has boiled for a few minutes. Thirdly, let the bottom of the pot burn for less than 5 minutes. Now, do not overly burn your rice, just the bottom of the pot. And the fourth, tip would be to ensure that you do not overfill the pot in order to allow the smoky flavor from the bottom of the pot to flow to the top. And that's, the tips on how to get the best smoky jollof rice without using foil or charcoal. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up to let YouTube know that this is an educative video, and share this video to your friends and family so they would know the secrets and the best ways to make smoky jollof rice at home. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.